Hey everyone, so in today's video I decided to clean out my closet. In a second I will show you guys what it looks like. It's pretty crazy. It's quite unorganized. I have my wedding dress in here. I have my new clothes, old clothes, my quarantine pantry storage, water bottles, like crazy stuff in here, and it is absolutely time to organize it. So I will make this into a time lapse and I will check in with you guys doing voice ins to kind of give my 2 cents, I guess. And I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope it gives you motivation to clean out your closet if it needs some love and care. And I hope you guys subscribe for more videos and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So this is what it looks like right now. All, like, literally everything's unorganized and needs some major decluttering. And a little pantry that's not sure why it's there. And even the air conditioner is here. So my husband found his way here too, I guess. So yeah, I'm just gonna start organizing it all and hope you guys enjoy it.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride.
So this is what it looks like. Perfect? No, not really, but it is done. It is clean and functional. I went through everything and took out what I don't need, and I left it all over here. So that's a pile for another day. But right here, I put on all my warm coats, my North Face windbreakers, and then like a church coat and a jean jacket. These are just all my jackets. And then right here, I have all my tank tops, my short sleeve tops, long sleeve tops, and then some button ups. And then right here, I have all of my cardigans, and then all of my regular sweaters. And then on the top shelf right here, I have my skirts and my shorts. And over there, I put all my winter boots and like random winter things like gloves, mittens. Right here, I have all of my shoes and sandals, boots. Right here, I have all of my dresses and empty shelf. This is all my pregnancy clothes that I just put in this box because it's all I have. My little mirror, window, and then I have nowhere to put my wedding dress. So that's what that is. And if you have any ideas how to store it, let me know. Because I just don't know what's the best way to store it. And then my suitcase. I don't have any storage in the pantry for the waters, so I just left it there. And for now, the AC is in there. But like I said, it's not perfect, but it's done and functional, and I'm pretty happy with it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.